Thank you so much for deciding to take this course with me. Throughout the course, you have the opportunity to create a 1-minute short video for your class projects. Here's an example that I created.
The creative process is painful. This is what happens to my mind every time I try to come up with an idea. Thoughts, emotions, feelings, and places all come at the same time in abstract fragments that simply make no sense. It's like being in the chaos of a hurricane in the middle of a thunderstorm, tossed in the waves of a raging sea. I crawl, I fight, I run. The more I try, the more I seem to get stuck. And this is because the secret is not about trying, it's about letting go. And when I stop chasing, when my mind finds peace, I realize it's not about catching an idea, but an idea catching me. That's it. Well, that lasts until I start the next project where I have to come to the same realization all over again.
I made this video specifically for this course, and the best part of this project is that it's very open for creative exploration, meaning that you can either use the footage provided and follow along with me, or you can go nuts and create your own version of the project. Maybe you have already got like some idea or some story in mind. So if you're feeling very adventurous, you can use techniques that you're going to learn in this course to create something completely new. Maybe a travel video showing your last trip, or maybe some visuals for your favorite song. And don't worry if you don't have footage to work with, as I'll be teaching you how to source free stock footage and create your own narrative or story. The most important thing is that you have fun and enjoy the process while learning something new. To help guide you throughout the course, I have created an exclusive guidebook with a lot of complementary information, some tips, and some activities that can help you to get the most out of your learning experience. So pay attention, especially if you see this icon here throughout the course, because it means there is a hidden gem, aka extra cool content, waiting for you in your guidebook. You'll be doing a creative brief for yourself, which is very similar to the one that I use with my clients. This will prepare you for the industry and provide a systematic approach to creative video making that you can use over and over again for your future projects. To complete this course, you need a computer and Adobe Premiere installed. And there is also a step-by-step on how to do that in your guidebook too. I highly recommend you to try to do everything from scratch, but you can open my Premiere file at any time to see the examples that I created for some activities. The coolest thing about video editing is that there are so many ways to tell a story, and I can't wait to see what your creative mind comes up with. So make sure you post your final video and activities in project gallery of this class, and let me know if you want some feedback. And don't worry if it doesn't look like perfect or if it doesn't turn out the way that you intended. We are not looking for perfection here, but we are looking for ways to take your skills to the next level. So the more activities that you post, the more questions that you ask, and the more feedback that you receive, the more you learn and grow. I'm so excited to embark on this journey with you. So make sure you download everything, the guidebook and the assets, and I'll see you in the first lesson.